Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we are going to be discussing social life networks, WDLF on the OTC markets. But before we get into that, we want to discuss some housekeeping issues. We're going to get into some things on WDLF. We are not short. We have no position. This is our opinion. Please do not, we've been getting a lot of hate mail about our recent articles, so I'm just going to explain where we're coming from in this video. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. We have no agenda. Insider Financial is not an investment advisor and does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research and make your own investment decisions. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. With that out of the way, go over and give us a thumbs up. If you hate us, you'll probably go and give us a thumbs up, thumbs down after this video. Sometimes people don't like, they only want to hear what they want to hear, and they don't want to hear someone else's opinion, which is based on facts. And if you like this video, give us a subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get our email alerts. We only post our alerts via email and SMS. Go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com, enter your email. If you are in the US, you can enter your mobile number to get our SMS alerts. If you are outside the US, you will still get our email alerts. And with that out of the way, let's get into WDLF and the controversy this morning. Look, WDLF, 5 days ago, it was trading in the quadruple zeros at 0.000098. After this week's move, shares are now up over 7,000%. This makes WDLF the biggest runner of December. If you caught this move, congratulations. We did not. We're not jealous. Of course, we wish we got in and alerted our subscribers on it, but we missed it, and that's a fact. There's nothing that can be done about this. The point of this video is to say that if you're in WDLF and you have banked big profits, book your profits, and we're going to explain why in this video. The main thing is it surrounds Social Life Network and its subsidiary MJLink.com. And today the company came out with a new press release. And it was MJLink.com announces 5,506C private placement and $50 million Reg A offerings. Okay, and when you look at the press release, this is what catches your eye. MJLink.com was incorporated in September 2018 and operated as a subsidiary and cannabis division of Social Life Network Inc. OTC Markets WDLF until August 6, 2020, at which time Social Life ceased funding MJLink's operations. MJLink began operating independently of Social Life, and MJLink funded its own operations. Social Life currently holds 15.17% of MJLink's outstanding common stock shares. Now, this is from them. This is the company's website, socialnetwork.ai. We're not making this up. It's in black and white. You can see here, just go to socialnetwork.ai, go over to press news and filings, and it's all there. The market was operating under the assumption that Social Life owned 100% of MJ Link. If they did, we would not be raising any red flag. We would not be recommending booking any profits. The fact is, this is what they're saying. And then when you go and do the math, which we have down here, let's see where it is. So Social Life Network, as we said, was running on the assumption they own 100%. MJ Link set its post-money valuation at $133 million, assuming the sale of all 25 million shares for $55 million through the combined Reg A and Reg D offerings totaling 60 million shares. A 15.17% stake in MJ Link at the $133 million valuation would be worth $20 million. At 0.0071 cents a share, which is where the stock closed at on Monday, and you're seeing here it's already bidding up in the pre-market. Based on the headline, investors are getting excited without actually reading the facts, and they're at 0.0071 share. The current market cap of WDLF is $28 million. You go over to here, security details, current market cap $28 million. This is on OTCMarkets.com. We're not making this up. Please do not hate us for just trying to point out facts. There's an expression. You are entitled to your own opinion, but you're not entitled to your own facts. And we say here, and the thing is, so you say, all right, the 20 million, well, okay, that's fair. But they still have to raise this money. They haven't raised, no one knows how much money they've raised, if any at all. And, if you go into the filings and you look at the disclosure on here, this is the most recent 10Q for the period ending, September 30th, which is just, 2 months ago. The financials, they don't look that great. Accounts, as of September 30th, the company had no cash, accounts receivable of $76,000, accounts receivable related parties $335,000, and a total of $411,000 in assets. So, you're talking about a company worth 400, with 400 grand in assets is going to raise 133 million. Okay, good luck, good luck. And, when you look at the Social Network to scale up its subsidiary MJ Link through its first capital raise. So you go to this video. This was last year, November 2019. The company was raising money last year. It says here, Social Life Network Inc. CEO Ken Taub and President Todd Markey tell Proactive its subsidiary MJLink.com is scaling up its cannabis-focused social networks and events business by launching a capital raise through a Rule 506C of Regulation Reg D, converted into a Reg A Plus offering in 1Q of 2020. The duo say there are plans to eventually open up this process and integrate it onto its platform to other publicly traded cannabis companies. Their first conference will be January 15, 2020. So we've been hearing this story, for a long time about what this company is going to do, and they're going to raise this money, and, MJ Link and everything. But, nothing has shown us that, the company can do this. And, you're looking over here, the RSI, it's almost at 100. So I think, it's getting tremendously overbought here. And, if you got in and you made good money, we recommend taking some profits and then reevaluate. I mean, there's nothing wrong with booking some profits. I'm just trying to caution people that, we don't think this is the next TSNP. TSNP is a completely different animal. The Humble app, they have a lot more going for it than, in our opinion, WDLF. So, this is a way that you can do some simple research. This is not rocket science. We're just going and looking at the filings, looking at the facts, and, right now we're not seeing it. And, if we're wrong, I mean, please tell us, why you think we're wrong. We have no skin in the game. We are just trying to, provide a service here on covering the hottest penny stocks, and, whether they're a buy, sell, or hold. In our opinion, this one here is a sell. Just based on what the facts are showing us and, what we are seeing here. Look at the revenues for the 3 months ended. $7 million in digital. I mean, $7,000 in digital subscription revenue. Licensing revenue, $62,000. This is, you're talking peanuts. If the company was posting, big revenues, we would be seeing it reflected in the filings. And everyone's saying that all these sites that the company owns are worth, hundreds of millions of dollars. Well, if they're not generating any money, well, where is it? That's really what it comes down to. I mean, we own a few websites. It doesn't mean we're worth hundreds of millions of dollars. And, I can tell you our ad revenue is more than what this company is reporting. So, that's tells you how things are looking for this company. So, if you got in early, this is a great time to book profits. Look at here. This is in the fine print. For the 9 months ended September 30th, $187,500, or 88.9%. And September 30th last year was just 25,000 respectively of our total revenues were generated from related party revenue. There are conflicts of interest between our officers' interests, who are also officers of our licensees, and our shareholders' interests. So there's a red flag right there. The revenues were derived from license fees we received from Real Estate Social Network and Sports Social Network, which revenues are related party revenues. So, I really don't want people here to get greedy and be like, this is going to a penny, 2 pennies, a nickel, a dime, quarter, dollars. I mean, we don't see that with this company. And, we may be proven wrong. It may still happen. These are markets after all. But, our job is to, cover penny stocks for our readers, and, look for the best, our best ideas, which, then we alert our subscribers with. And matter of fact, we think we're going to have something after the close today. So, be sure to go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you'll get our alerts. We wish everyone luck, a profitable trading week. Remember, go and hit the thumbs up. I'm sure some of you be hitting the thumbs down that are pumping this WDLF, but so be it. We feel that we had to do this public service announcement. So with all that said, wish everyone good luck and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.